All right. Hello, everyone. So Jean-Nicolas Louis, I'm a research team leader in design and operation of energy system at VTT, Finland. And today I'm going to present one of our work and development work that we have for one of our energy system model tools, Flex tool, by combining energy system modeling and hydrological modeling. One of the reasons is that hydrological models that are developed mostly by hydrologists are very much basin-to-basin type of models, and in terms of data, it's it's kind of lots of data, and the definitions that we have in our energy system models is always kind of biased. So what is happening in hydrological models are not considered in energy system models. And when we have our hydropower systems, network cascading hydropower systems, then we kind of have a tendency to forget what is happening around all these hydrological models. Then there is all these aspects of climate change and how does it affect the precipitation, the type of water form that is coming into the earth, and then if there is a snowpack, glaciers, how does it melt, and the type of precipitation that is coming. So that is changing the water models, and then how does that affect then the reservoir, the use of our reservoir, the type of irrigation that we have downstreams. And that's all the type of questions that we have been trying to kind of answer in our energy system models in order to be able to better represent the energy system models. So as I said, that we are using one of our tools that we are developing that is called Arena Flex tool, that is made in MathProg, and so that's open, you can get it there. So it's a bottom-up model and least cost optimization tool. And it does all type of investment planning and capacity expansion. And then it's kind of an operational and planning tool that we have with Flex tool. So it's now been used for making the energy transition in many developing countries. So we are in the same track now in focusing with that tool for developing countries. And when it comes to the water, it's also about a water conflict. When it comes to the usage of the water, there are two countries that have this water conflict. So one of the solutions that we are doing is within a project financed by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Finland and the Research Council of Finland, where we are combining, basically two aspects of the hydrological model and then a glaciers model eventually, and then the energy system modeling. On the left-hand side, you have the CWATM model that is developed by EASA, so it's Python-based. And then, so it takes satellite imageries, and then it goes into the kind of cells, break it down to whether it's 30-minute arcs or 5-minute arcs, and then we can have all the water kind of network, how the water goes, and then all the way down to irrigation, the type of crops, when do we use our water, and that feeds then the energy system models. And then how do we actually integrate it into our Flex tool model so that we can better represent the cascading water hydropower systems in the system. And then how the operation of the hydropower system then impacts the downstream, the agriculture, the irrigation, and everything that is going downstream. So where we are at now, we are integrating CWATM in one of our tools that is Toolbox, where we can handle all the scenario and the data models. We are going to perform data collections on site, and then we do the CWATM, so the hydrological model and Flex tool integration, around next year, and then we will validate it through one of the use cases that we have in Tajikistan and Uzbekistan, where there is massive hydropower systems there, and quite major also water conflict. So thank you very much.